This HTML document creates an animated festive scene combining a neon, circular particle-based Christmas tree drawn on a canvas with gently falling decorative leaves layered on top using CSS animations. The page sets a black, full-screen background and uses a canvas element to render the tree, which is composed of 1,000 small glowing particles. JavaScript initializes the canvas to match the browser window and defines a cone-shaped tree by calculating its width at different vertical positions, making it narrow at the top and wide at the bottom. Each particle moves upward continuously, spiraling around the center of the canvas using sine-based motion and a time variable to create a rotating effect, giving the illusion of a swirling, luminous tree. When particles reach the top, they reset to the bottom with new random sizes, colors, and angles to keep the animation seamless. A semi-transparent background fill is repeatedly drawn to produce a trailing glow effect rather than clearing the canvas completely. Separately, CSS defines a .leaf class that uses a PNG image and two keyframe animations, one for falling vertically while rotating, and another for side-to-side swaying. A second JavaScript block dynamically creates multiple leaf elements, randomizes their size, position, animation duration, and delay, and continuously recycles them after they fall off the screen. The result is a layered holiday animation where a glowing, rotating particle Christmas tree appears behind softly drifting leaves, adapting responsively to window resizing for a smooth visual experience. Despite the festive title, this code actually builds an animated holiday-themed visual scene using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, featuring a glowing particle Christmas tree and falling decorative leaves. The HTML sets up a full-screen black background with a canvas element used for rendering the tree, while CSS ensures the page has no margins, hides overflow, and styles animated leaf elements with a transparent PNG image. The canvas animation works by creating 1,000 tiny particles that form a cone-shaped tree. Each particle is assigned random properties such as speed, size, color, vertical position, and angular offset. A mathematical function controls the tree's width at different heights so it appears wide at the bottom and narrow at the top, mimicking a real Christmas tree. During animation, particles move upward while rotating around the center using sine-based circular motion combined with a time variable, creating a swirling neon effect. Instead of clearing the canvas completely on each frame, a semi-transparent fill is applied to produce glowing trails behind the particles. When a particle reaches the top of the tree, it resets to the bottom with new random attributes, keeping the motion continuous. In parallel, CSS keyframe animations define how leaf elements fall vertically while rotating and gently swaying side to side. A separate JavaScript section dynamically generates multiple leaf elements, randomizing their size, position, fall duration, sway speed, and delay, then removes and recreates them after they exit the screen to maintain a steady snowfall-like effect. The animation also listens for window resize events to keep the canvas responsive. Together, these components create a layered festive animation reminiscent of holiday decorations, with a luminous rotating tree in the background and softly drifting leaves in the foreground, evoking the spirit of snowflake and Santa-themed holiday visuals through motion and glow rather than literal cake imagery.